We are going to slide the car for the first time and see how it does. We're going to spin up some tires, make sure everything's all good. Oh boy, I can't wait for this. This is gonna be super fun. All right guys, final product of what we think the drift car is this. After all of the time, all of the effort, we're going to put this thing to the test right here, right now, on this abandoned airstrip. It is a jet, it is an airstrip. We're going to make sure we slide and make some black trails. You can hear that new exhaust on there. This thing is ready to go. Harnesses inside. We even got the backup camera on this thing too. We literally have it all. This car is ready to go and ready to slide. I think that means, without further ado, we're gonna slide this thing.
Yep.
All right, you ready? Hold on. I just did a 360. She's doing good. I just did my first 360 in this mug. Wow. That felt amazing.
That was kind of scary. I've never done a 360 in a car.
It feels so good. It just feels so amazing. It's so set up.
It looked awesome at basically all of this. Let's go!
Can one of y'all get that from over there? I think my tire blew out.
You think so?
Yeah.
Did you bring a spare?
I don't know. I'm gonna check it. My tire blow out? Yeah, it did. I got one more in it. Y'all stay there, I'm gonna do one more, then roll it home. I gotta change my tire. All right, last one.
Under your car.
What?
There's fire under your car.
Holy shnikes. Open the...
It's on fire, bro.
Open the hood. Where's the fire? Are you f***ing kidding me? right, I gotta find out where that's coming from. Oh, it's the valve cover. It's the valve cover is leaking oil.
I think I probably got it.
All right, well.
So look, right here you came along, all that, it's fire, 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 fire. See that?
Holy crap. Did y'all see this?
Just didn't work?
No.
I'm glad it didn't stay on fire.
About burnt my car down on the first rip. Well, I guess I need a valve cover gasket seal.
I'm glad it didn't catch on fire.
Me
I was
too.
really scared for a second when I saw it like night down there.
Everything was good. It leaked hot oil out of the valve cover. Let me see the other side. Is that oil or gas?
Yeah,
It's oil.
yeah.
We did some donies. She caught on fire, but we did some donies.
That's why I was like, Poe, turn it off! Turn it off!
I didn't even know what it was. I said, is that fire? And then he's like, yeah, that's fire.
That's exactly why that happened, is those headers are super hot. That's like the exhaust of the car. It gets super duper hot. And then when oil leaks on it, it like instantly burns. And that's what was happening, was oil was burning. I just have to seal it better. And now I know that my fire extinguisher wasn't good enough, so I need to buy another one, because that literally, if my car would have been on fire, we'd have been out of luck. We would have had to literally watch the car burn down. Mind you, she had freaking 50 pounds of oil pressure whenever I stopped her.
No, that was sick.
And she was at 190 degrees. That's perfect. It's like a little toasty because it's a hot day or something like that. I literally went, and it went, just a little bit of it just squirted out. Luckily, oil isn't flammable. I mean, it is at really high temperatures, but like otherwise it just smokes.
I was trying to tell you how, like, where it was, and I was like, oh, the engine in the back.
Actually, I probably would have done this.
Just throwing it on it.
And at least I know it works somewhat. That's better than nothing. What are the chances that that happens?
Your car catches on fire?
Yeah, on the first rip. It's got freaking bands showing.
Is it gonna make it home?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in.
Dude, thank y'all very much.
Yeah.
She just got inspected today. They didn't find out that it was gonna catch on fire, I guess. Slid the car for the first time, did a full entire rip, and it sounds like the only thing we could have done better was put on the valve cover gaskets better. Not a bad thing. I know it kind of caught on fire, but like, it's not half as bad as it could have been. It worked. Drove home. I literally just need a valve cover gasket. First shakedown, and you need a valve cover gasket. After everything I've done on the car, not mad. Tires.
Oh, yeah?
That's where the shop went, if y'all are asking. It's right there. So until further notice, that's the shop. So the drift car has gone through its first set of tires. But this tire right here has strands, and these are slapping the crap out of the bottom side of the car. These things are bad. Throw them on. Now I'm gonna get some new tires for them. But in the meantime, let's see how good this thing's.
I like it.
It might be a little too big. I guess we're gonna find out. Might have to lift up the car. That's one pit stop. Now we're gonna grab the other side. Oh, it's not bad at all.
Make sure it's so.
No, that ain't gonna touch. That's perfect. We went ahead and fixed the fire issue with the valve cover gaskets, and we replaced those. Apparently I used some RTV and it hardened in a weird way, making a hole. So oil was just leaking onto my headers, which is no good. So we got that fixed. We're gonna go ahead and take it on its first shakedown right now. Drift spares on the car right now, and those are 19s. I usually have 18s on there, so they're a little bit heavier, and the tires got a lot more traction to them. They're stickier, so we got some more tread on the back of it. We should have more traction. Thing is, we still have that 8.8 in there. There's some carbon fiber LSD clutch discs in the diff, but it's leaking fluid, so they're not really wanting to lock up. We're gonna do the tail test if it actually is gonna lock up or not. So we're gonna do a quick few skids, see if it catches on fire, see if it locks up the tires with the drift spares on, and if it does, we're gonna be doing good. So let's test it. Need to log it. I forgot to data log. I'm a goober. Start log. All right, there we go. Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Thank you. Better. I forgot to clip it on before. Oops. Does it look good?
Oh yeah, it looks good.
It feels dialed. All right, let's go. So controllable. I think we're gonna be good for right now. Calling it quits.
Yeah.
Right here, right now.
You got some good runs in.
Well, either way, car's not on fire. Did some drifts, got some stuff done, got some data logging stuff done. So for Rustin, he's gonna have some info, and for us, we got a clean test, clean drive, clean drifting. Car is doing pretty good. I don't think I can ask for much more, so on that note, we're going off on a good note for the first time in a whole lot of videos. So thank you very much for watching me work on this piece of junk. Finally got her done. Finally got some drifts in her. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Remember to freaking send it.